Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Bybit app on your iPhone so you can start trading crypto easily from your mobile. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you're there, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to go to your Apple ID account page. Next, scroll down and tap on Country/Region Settings. This is important because the availability of the Bybit app depends on your Apple ID region. Choose your correct country or region from the list to make sure the app shows up. After updating your settings, go back to the App Store and search for Bybit. You should now be able to see the official app ready to download. If you want to check all the countries or regions where the app is available, Bybit provides an official list you can reference. Once downloaded, open the app, log in or create your account, and you're all set to start trading crypto directly on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and I'll see you in the next one.